Welcome to Slabazar's PowerPoint for Pros, a video series that will help you become better at PowerPoint. In this video, you will learn how to create a Prezi-style animation in PowerPoint. But before that, check out Slabazar's free PowerPoint add-in to get presentation templates, themes, and other design tools, along with an AI-powered presentation creator. Check out the add-in for free using the link in the description. Anyway, let's move on to the video. To make a Prezi-style PowerPoint presentation, you just need to add a zoom transition to your slides. All you have to do is go to Insert, Zoom, and select Slide Zoom. But if you want a more creative approach, where you want to create custom clickable objects and add zoom transitions, here is a small tutorial that will help you. Watch the steps to get an idea of how it's done and then recreate it your own way. Let's begin by changing the background of the slide. Right-click and go to Format Background, and then change the color of the background. Next, go to Insert and insert a rectangle with rounded corners as shown. In the Format Shapes sidebar, assign a solid fill color and apply a solid line color and increase its width. Next, in the same sidebar, add a shadow to the shape and tweak how it appears. Now, let's insert a text box and add some text. Change the font and font size if needed, and then place it over the shape you just created. You can select the shape and the text and go to Home, Arrange, Align, and click on Align Center and Align Middle. Similarly, create another shape like this and group the text and shape together. Then hold Ctrl and click and drag the shape to create duplicates. Feel free to change the color of each shape as well. Then select the three shapes and go to Home, Arrange, and click on Distribute Vertically. Now I'm going to insert an elbow connector to connect the shapes as shown. Change its color to make it stand out against the background. Once this is done for all the shapes, let's right-click here and create a new slide. And then let's clear the slide. And now apply the same background color. Now copy the first element on the original slide as shown and paste and reposition it on the new slide. And now, just like before, let's create more shapes with text on top of them as shown. Let's now create a third slide, change its background color, and add your content onto the slide. For now, I'll just copy and paste some placeholder text. Now here comes the most important part of the video. In this presentation, I want to make the objects on the right clickable, and there will be a zoom transition that takes the audience to the next slide, making it look like a Prezi-style animation. To do this, first, I'm going to save the object as an image by right-clicking and clicking on Save as Picture. Do this for the object on the second slide as well. Next, we're going to add zoom transitions. While on the first slide, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon, click on Zoom, and select Slide Zoom. Click on the next slide you want to transition to. In this case, it will be slide number 2. Click on Insert. Now you'll see the Zoom Transition button appear as a mini slide on your slide. Select it and go to Zoom in the ribbon, Change Image, and click on Change Image. Select the image you saved earlier and carefully resize, reposition, and replace the object with the new image. Repeat this step on the second slide to make it clickable as well. This time, for zoom transitions, select slide 3. And now just follow the same steps as earlier to finally get a Prezi-style presentation that looks like this. You can use the same steps to create Prezi-style animations for your own presentation. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it helpful, please support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to check out Slabazaar's free PowerPoint add-in. The link will be in the description.